Hi, this is Deborah Sable Thornbrew, and this is the overview for Unit 4 for our CSIT125 Microsoft Word for Business online class for MiraCosta Community College. When you first come to the Unit 4 instruction page, after clicking the assignments link, you'll see the overview page, which explains what you're going to be learning about in this unit. There are three main topics in Unit 4: working with tables, working with columns, and working with graphics. I'm sure some of you already use tables quite a bit, but in this unit you're going to learn how to modify them in different ways so that they display the way that you want them to in a business document or a school document. So it's important to pay close attention to how this unit goes when it comes to tables. Columns also can be very important. It depends on what you're creating. In a brochure, for example, for a business brochure, you might want to display your text in narrow columns like a newspaper page or a magazine page, rather than one big huge paragraph going across the whole page. And graphics can be a lot of fun. They are the tools you use to illustrate things such as drawings, paintings, clip art, cartoons, smart art, word art, drawing shapes. You can make your own graphics, you can download them from the internet, or you can use the preset ones in Word. It's very versatile. Keep going to the bottom of this overview page and it gives you a bulleted list of the different skills you're going to learn, and also a list of the tasks you're going to complete for Unit 4. In this unit you will start your project within Simnet and turn it into Simnet when you're done. So you do need to use Simnet for the project. And be sure to follow all the instructions in the Simnet page more than the physical textbook. So be careful with that. When you are finished looking at the overview page, of course your table of contents is on the left, and you can click the assignment instructions link, and it takes you here where it gives you the detailed directions for what to do in Unit 4. Please be sure to read all the directions carefully because you might miss something important. There are two different videos you can watch here on this page. The first video here, this colorful icon, is the required video I made for you. It's about graphics, and you will be answering a question for it in the discussion board. The second video, which is just a hyperlink here, click here to watch optional video. This is one that shows you how to use formulas and functions in a table in Word. It's a lot like Excel that way. You can create a formula that does different things with numbers and dollar amounts, and I'm going to show you how to create different formulas, different kinds, in the table that calculate things quickly for you. Then it talks about the discussion, the post you need to make on the discussion board, and down here it tells you details about the project itself. The name of the project is Independent Project 4-5. You have to start it within Simnet and finish it and then submit it into Simnet. Okay, there are some important notes you should read as well before you start the project. And finally, you have a Chapter 4 quiz, just like the other quizzes we've had. It has 5 questions and it takes 5 minutes. It's timed to 5 minutes. And then the evaluation tells you what each thing is worth, how many points. Scrolling back up to the left-hand side of the table of contents, you also have online resources. If you click that link, it takes you to a page that offers you 3 different links that I created to 3 different websites that offer extra help and information about tables, columns, and graphics in Word. So when you click one of them, I'm going to click Working with Columns in Word. It opens up a separate web page, separate tab, and you can just scroll down into the article and read it. Sometimes it offers some illustrations like this one. This illustrates a single column, which is the default setting for Word. When you start typing anything in Word, it's just one single column all the way across the page. And if I scroll down to Figure B in this article, it shows what 2 columns look like, more like a newspaper, brochure, or magazine. And Word has a feature that sets this up very quickly for you. It makes it a lot easier. When you're done looking at this extra information, which is not required, it's optional, you go up to the top and you click this little X, red X circle button here to close the tab. Again, also we have these extra Simnet links here that tell you about how to click or navigate directly into your Simnet homepage. It describes that. If you click McGraw-Hill Simnet, it takes you to a page like this where you can click either up here, Open McGraw-Hill Simnet Course, or you can click here, Click to Launch, and it should take you directly into your Simnet homepage. However, if this is the very first time you're trying a link like this, it might ask you to log in first. So that's our overview for Unit 4. Again, it's about tables, columns, and graphics, and you will do a project within Simnet, and there is a required video. If you have questions, please email me directly at dsabelthornbrew@miracosta.edu.